WAMP MySQL Service will not start. I did a fresh install of WAMP version 2.1, and it works except the MySQL isn't starting. Here. And every time I press start/resume service, nothing happens. I go to my .ini and put in a password, then go to MySQL console. Type in that password, and either 1, the console disappears, or 2, I get error 2003, can't connect to MySQL server on localhost 10061.
Error number 2003, can't connect to MySQL server on localhost, or some other host. Simply means that connection is not possible for one of the following, or similar, reasons. There is no MySQL server running at the specified host. Connection to the MySQL server is not allowed using TCP/IP. Check the skip networking setting in the MySQL configuration file, my.ini on Windows, my.cnf on Linux. It shall be commented out like #skip networking. If it is not commented out, then do it and restart the MySQL server for the change to take effect. Some networking issue prevents connection. It could be a network malconfiguration or a firewall issue. You need to allow the service MySQL on Windows Firewall after you install WAMP, restart your PC, and start WAMP. Windows will ask is msqlnt.exe allowed to run and accept it. Then it's fine. If it doesn't work, then try turning off the Windows Firewall. If that fixes the problem, then turn it back on and allow access to TCP 3306 default port. When trying to connect to a MySQL server at an ISP, this error message often indicates the direct connection to MySQL has been blocked. You must then use HTTP tunneling or SSH tunneling to connect.
Search for MySQL bin.index file, delete it, then restart MySQL. This worked for me, winky face.
I tried going to c:\wamp\bin\mysql -mysql5.6.17 and deleted the following: auto.cnf xxxxxxxxxx.err, xxxxxxxxxx.pid, ib_logfile0 and ib_logfile1. But I left the ibdata1 alone as it references all local databases. I then restarted WAMP and it worked like a charm.
Please check the port that MySQL is using on your system. Then, change the port number of the WAMP service MySQL service to that number by entering it in my.ini. If you're running Windows, make sure to restart service and it immediately turns green. I ran into a similar problem.
Fortunate trait.